with the Romualdez family, with Cocoy Romualdez, particularly family of Martin Romualdez, you have to start with government franchises, government licenses, government concessions. In many cases, these are exclusive. In many cases, they require franchises. Electricity, for example, to produce electricity, to distribute electricity requires a franchise. So the electricity distributor in Manila, Meralco, Manila Electric Company, one of the biggest electricity power generation companies in the Philippines, used to be controlled by a family, an oligarch family that opposed Marcos, and Marcos just removed them from that company and then took over, appointing his cronies, effectively to own stocks in companies that were used to buy out the previous owner, who was forced to sell, literally intimidated into selling. One of their family members was sent to prison. Others were forced into exile. So what do? You sell because your own children will be killed. Your own children will be imprisoned. One of those who bought, in quotation mark, these shares in the electric company was the Romualdez family, the Benjamin Cocoy Romualdez. One of the other families, interestingly, is the Remulla family, who's now going after the Romualdez family. So it's, there's no honor among thieves, but that's what it is. So